Okay, like I said in my previous videos, our spirit, okay, came from other galaxies and local spirits here. So the spirit or soul evolves over time as it evolves in consciousness. All right. So every one of us underwent spiritual development before we got this body. And most of us, like me, have been recycled in the system through reincarnation. So reincarnation is not limited to just belief. Reincarnation is part of the system. Okay? So I want you to understand that reincarnation is part of this matrix, the system. Now that's the reason why enlightened beings such as the Buddha and other high level beings that incarnated here as humans have been teaching us that you have to move past the incarnation within this planet, and so that your soul or spirit can ascend higher into higher dimensions of existence. There are many dimensions that unlimited. Okay, there are many dimensions that we can and many different worlds that we can travel to. Okay, but it requires a lot of energy, and energy can only be cultivated through spiritual practices and through experiences and through wisdom. Okay, so you can't have wisdom unless you have experience. Okay, keep that in mind. You can't have wisdom unless you have experience. You experience it for yourself. You can keep on saying things like by the book, that's not experience. The only thing that you can gain on this reality, on this planet, is experience, and that will help you ascend. Okay, your spirit to ascend. Okay, and hopefully, when you pay your karmic debt or you learn your dharma or your life lessons, okay, you elevate. Okay, now if you keep on clinging to the physical, which is money driven type of living, and